Hello, my name is Imke and I'm International Technical Advisor at Paratos. The recipe that we will use allows for a longer shelf life. That makes it ideal for today's challenging times. Let's get started. For this cake we use our Tegral Satin Moist cake. Why? Because here in our cake we use our active technology. This will keep our cake longer fresh and give some really nice moist to our cake, even after 1 week. So our cake batter is ready now. With this one we're gonna fill our cake molds. For this we're gonna use our crème fill classic. So the crème fill will not only bring a nice vanilla flavor, but will also keep the softness into the cake. The next step is we're gonna take some top fill pear. Top fill is our ready-to-use fruit filling with some really nice pieces of pear still inside. So here we have some fresh ginger that we're gonna grate and put in our top fill pear. So just add a little bit of ginger because this will give the extra touch that you want to have in your cake. In between our crème fill we're gonna pipe some dots of our pear. Now we're gonna put a thin layer of our Tegral Satin Moist cake on top of our filling. To finish this cake we're gonna make a crumble. So here we have a standard recipe from a crumble that we're gonna flavor with some orange zest. This cake is ready for baking, so we're gonna bake it now around 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees. This paper already protects the cake against drying out. If you want to use a closed packaging, don't forget that the maximum temperature of the cake inside can be maximum 30 degrees Celsius. This way, microbiological risks are minimized. Correct packaging avoids drying out. And it preserves its texture. With the right hygiene, ingredients and packaging, this cake will last a couple of days up to a week. A whole week full of pleasure. What do you want more?